Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to extend battery life instantly. So for this, first of all, open your settings. Once the setting is open, now in search bar, search for well-being or digital well-being. So click on digital well-being. Now here you will find the apps that uses your battery. Okay, so now here you need to click on manage your data. Now turn this off. Click on turn off settings and from here click on digital well-being. As you click now disable this option. So now the digital well-being is disabled. The next step is you need to stop notifications of the app that is not really used. So now scroll down and click on notification center option. From here disable the notifications of the app that is not really used. So in this way, you can boost your battery instantly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.